Your house here?
Yeah.
Oh
my God, wow.
And now what?
Why are you in my face? I mean, why are you so mad?
And why can't you face me? Why can't you face everyone?
Why? Why are you...
Why? Because you're the only one talking.
No, I mean, why, ba?
Bakit ba nga nandito kayo?
Yeah. We
Tanong
want
mo
to know.
sarili mo, bakit ka nandito? And?
Matagal ko nang gusto.
And?
Yan
Yan lang. Tapos wala kang... Kanina nandito tayo because they were nice and we did entertain them, pero she's not nice and we're sending you out.
So, may discount tayo na pwede natin na palisin kung gusto natin.
We're sending you out. You're not welcome. Oh. Yeah, you're not welcome here, princess. You're not nice at all.
Like that. Like that. Please.
What?
I don't know.
Oh, sige. This is all, princess, huh?
You just punched her. Please.
She just squeezed my hand, dude. I did not. Did you see what she did? I did not. I go bonita.
I'm not holding.
She twisted my hand.
Please, you are being violent, princess. Relax.
Nakita mo, tinwist na kamay ko?
Please.
Sino na una? Did I twist your hand? Tingnan mo. Tinawakan lang kita. I want to guide you to the door. To the exit.
Princess, you are being violent. Come on.
Kuya, princess is being violent. She's not even a housemate anymore. And you think you are? You think you're a deserving housemate?
Please.
Well, I am a
Mayon?
housemate, deserving or not.
Hey.
Gusto niya lumapit sa tore dahil gusto niya i-break ang tore.
Relax, ha? Relax. Okay?
Oh!
You are gonna throw it. Look what you just did.
Bakit ka naman? Princess, ang problema niyo? Princess, you're not welcome here. I'm not talking to you. It doesn't matter. I'm talking to you.
Relax, princess.
Rob.
Rob, let her go. Princess.
Ano mo naman gusto na sila ng pamilya mo?
Come on, relax, princess.
Are you coward, guys? What's up with you?
Come on.
Hawakan niyo siya.
Please leave.
Kasi kaibigan niyo mo din.
Please.
Mariel,
Sige na.
ayoko kay Melissa dahil pinapasama niya ako dahil maingay siya.
There you go.
Ayoko kay Melissa dahil maingay siya.
Yeah.
Hi.
Oh, bantay mo, ha?
Nalagiguwa mo sa to? Nagmamalulong?
Princess, please leave na lang, please. You're being violent, princess. Understand, my princess.
Oh, just don't touch me if you don't want me to be violent.
Please.
Stay inside there.
Not like that. Parang ano, please. We don't know how to handle you. We don't know how to handle you. You're being...
Hindi ganon. Not like that.
Come on, please, princess.
Gawas na, Tori. Gawas. Pwede.
Dude. Sorry, guys. You guys are being aggressive.
No, wait. Give me my bag.
Okay, please. But careful. Matapos na.
Woo!